Okay. Hi, Karthik. Well, I have to say before I start the interview that I have been interviewing people for almost 5-6 years of my life, but due to COVID-19, everything is suddenly so different. I mean, I'm sitting here and I'm someday interviewing someone who is sitting in LA. Today I'm going to interview Priya Kumar. I think she has just requested. Let me add her and then I'll share. Okay. Hi. Hi,
Hi,
Priya.
Tanvi.
Yeah. So, Priya, before we begin, I have to share with you this little story. Some 6 years back, I was in college. I was studying in Rajkot, and I bumped into some of your content on Facebook, and then like the fangirl, I started messaging you on Facebook, and you were so kind that you not just replied but you couriered me your books with your autograph, like the signed books, which are
Yes, of
still with
course.
me. And from that day I felt that you are so generous, because that time I was just a college girl, like just another person who is
You still look
DMing
like
you,
a
who's
college girl only, Janvi.
oh god. But yeah, I'm super happy to be interviewing you and to just get insights on who motivates a motivational speaker.
Yes, how
So
sweet,
yeah,
yeah.
Priya.
I'm very happy to be on your chat. And this is Muffin, and
Yeah.
she's hurt her leg, so we just came from the vet. So she's hurt her leg.
Okay.
Ha.
Yeah, I have
Uh,
seen her a lot of times in your picture. So
she
good to
likes
have her.
she likes to be there. Ha.
Okay. Great. No,
See,
it will be
Muffin is
lovely to
happy
have.
to be.
Oh, okay. Her name is Muffin.
Her name is Muffin.
Muffin.
Yes.
Wow, wow. So,
Okay.
Priya, let's begin with when did you think that you want to be a motivational speaker, or you can be a motivational speaker? Because this is a very unconventional career. I mean, we've seen like maybe engineers, doctors, but just to aspire to be a motivational speaker, so how does that worked out?
Also, first of all, let me tell you thank you for having me live. I am not a big fan of lives. I think ever since the lockdown, I've done only one live.
Oh,
So
okay.
and I
Then
really
lucky
liked
me,
your Hanji.
lucky me that
Oh,
you
first of
agreed.
all, you're so sweet and genuine, and I really enjoyed your live with Siddharth Jain.
Yes, yes, yes.
So the minute you said, I said, okay, let's do it. So thank you very
Okay.
much. And uh, so you asked me, how did I decide to be a motivational speaker?
Yeah, yeah.
See,
Hmm.
I'm a storyteller. I love to tell stories, and I love to talk,
Okay.
and not just
Hmm.
talk. I like to help people. Ever since a
Okay.
child, it was a part of my nature to help. If I were to go for dinner with my parents to somebody's house, I would start teaching their house help. I would carry books with
Okay.
me. So it was always a part of my, personality to do that. And luckily,
Okay.
fortunately, people were listening to me. So it was very encouraging. So then as
Okay.
I grew older, I said, okay, सुन रहे हैं तो पैसे भी दे दो. फिर पैसे भी दे रहे थे, so it one
Okay.
thing led to another over a
To
period of
another.
time. Over a
Huh.
period of time is the key word. But
Okay.
and by over a period of time, I would say at least 10-15 years. It was a part of
Oh, okay.
my personality. Little steps
Okay.
I was teaching, I was helping, and then finally I decided to make a career out of it. And you're right, there was no industry, but I feel that if there's something that you love to do, and if it is adding value in somebody's life, there's an opportunity to convert it into a
True, true.
business model. And I think that
Okay.
is the most satisfying job to do.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
that's how
but
I
as
see
you
it.
said, that it was a journey of more than 10 years which led you to become the motivational speaker that you are today.
Yes.
But during this whole process, what were the habits? What were the things that you were doing every single day? Because it's also about your daily habits and consistency, which makes a successful person. So, what
I
about
agree.
you? I mean, if you could give us insights.
See, I honestly didn't do, I first of all didn't
Hmm.
know that I would make motivational speaking a career. But I'm generally a
Okay.
very positive person. So
Okay.
I have built my own world of positivity. I've built my own
Okay.
little bubble of inspiration. For example, we have two worlds. Okay, हम दो दुनिया
Hmm.
में रहते हैं. One is
Huh.
my immediate world. Okay, that I have
Yeah.
control over, which means I have
Hmm.
control over how my house looks, my clothes,
Hmm.
my
Hmm.
mindset, and then there's a world outside. So at least अपना
Okay.
तो हम सुधार सकते हैं या
हाँ,
संभाल. So I have
कर
built
सुधार
a
सकते हैं.
world of positivity around me. I have books everywhere. So if
Okay.
you open my cupboard, you'll definitely find some books. You open my handbag, you'll find books. You open the khancha of my bed, you'll find books. So
Okay.
I read a lot. I listen to a lot of good stuff. ये तो तब का जमाना है जब DVDs, CDs नहीं होती थी. You had to buy tapes. I have a collection of tapes of all positive stuff and speakers. Now, so we can get everything on YouTube. At that time,
हाँ.
when if you wanted something, you have to buy it. अब तो सब कुछ free में
Okay.
मिलता है. So I very consciously set up a positive environment, and it has always been when I wake up in the morning, I always read something good to set my day up. I sit with myself, so I
Okay.
don't switch on my phone. तो कई लोग ऐसे होते हैं वो तो फोन स्विच ऑफ नहीं करते या फिर उठते ही स्विच ऑन कर लेते. I never switch on my
Okay.
phone until an hour that I'm up. So my day is
Okay. I
set
think
up, my
that's
mind mood is set up. Huh.
yeah. I think this is one habit that we all can pick up from you to just not switch on the phone.
Yes.
And is there any morning routine apart from the phone that you have that you religiously follow?
See, I spend time with my dogs. I spend time with myself. I think it's
Yeah. Yeah. Now I can. Yes.
So
Yeah.
I'm not
It was
the
just
kind of
buffering.
person who will get onto the mobile or so on. I spend time with my
Hmm.
dogs. I will sit with them. Then I will sit with my
Hmm.
mother. I'll sit with follow.
Okay. And then Priya, you said that you have created your own world, your own bubble. Yeah. Uh, did you listen to the question
Yes.
or should I?
No,
Yeah.
I didn't hear it. Could you please tell me
Yeah.
again?
Yeah. No, no. So I was asking that you said that you have created your own bubble, your own circle of positivity. But tell me about your biggest failure. I mean, like all of us, you might have faced something which was really disheartening. And then how did you overcome that? I mean, you have briefly mentioned, not briefly, you have mentioned about it in I'm Another You.
Ha.
But if you could also share about it.
See, about failure, no, I personally, I can't
Hmm.
remember when was the last time I failed. Okay, ऐसा हो सकता
Okay.
है that I tried
Okay.
really hard and the result was delayed. ऐसा uh, is it okay now? Because I can see it rotating
It's
a
okay.
little bit. Is it okay? You can.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Is
Yeah,
this better?
yeah, yeah, this is better. Yeah, and if there's more problem, then I'll just reconnect you.
Okay, okay. But shall I continue?
Yeah, yeah, I think you should, yeah.
Okay, so I was saying that I don't think I have failed. I don't give up very
Okay.
easily. But there have been times where the result that I expected was delayed. Okay, and
Okay.
sometimes we treat delays as failures. So I didn't quit just because I didn't complete my target. Doesn't mean I'm a failure. I continue with it, completed it halfway into 2020. Then also it can be that the results that I wanted didn't come as expected. Okay, that I wanted to achieve this much and I
Yeah.
achieved this much. But I've never quit. I will continue the work till I achieve that much or more. So I feel a lot of
Okay.
times, we give up too soon. We give in too soon. That just because my deadline is over, just because a result happened, that means I should quit. And there is the failure. Then you feel bad. I don't quit. And there are times when a task has given me a lot of problem, and I'm happy to say this was not for me. I tried, I gave it my best, but I don't think this is for me. And sometimes you only come to know when you get there. It's like, you go to watch this movie, then you realize, maza nahi aaya. But it's okay. That doesn't mean I
Yeah.
failed. So I am not too harsh on myself.
True.
If it didn't work
Yeah.
out, no problem. Move on.
But I think, Priya, this is the answer I can expect only from a motivational speaker, because even like a general person would have just described कि हाँ मेरे साथ ये बुरा हुआ था and then blah blah blah. But I think that's how you
Thank
say that
you.
you. Yeah, but
Thank you.
Priya, tell me, just because you are a motivational speaker, does that stop you from expressing your vulnerable side? Because you're expected to always have this, smile on your face, a
Ah.
cheerful face. Yeah, so like, do you have vulnerable moments and do you share it with your audience?
See, अभी ना ऐसा है that I have been a motivational speaker for 25 years. So smile has become a part of my personality. Even if I'm
Okay.
sad, I smile. Even if I'm happy, I smile. So it's become my nature. But and I'm
Okay.
generally happy. So
Okay.
I remember I was telling somebody I have a very bad headache. So he's like, at least look
हाँ.
like it. No, दिखना तो चाहिए तुम्हारे
Oh.
मुंह पे कि सर दुख रहा है. तो अब ऐसा हो गया
Yeah.
है. But I have a very vulnerable side. I can't fake it. I'm the kind of
Okay.
person, I don't have two faces. If I'm upset, I'm upset and the whole world will know about it. And I don't want to hide it and I'm not ashamed of it. I don't want to show that, I'm very strong. I'm very happy to express this is troubling me, but I'm also finding solutions all the time. So like
Okay.
for example, my dog had passed away 4 years ago, and I was hysterical. I was crying publicly. Even in my
Okay.
workshop backstage, I was crying. So I can't hide it. I can't fake it. But that doesn't mean that I will forget my responsibility or I will make my issues bigger than my purpose. My purpose is
Okay.
always primary. I will do the job. I can have a headache. I could be sick. I could be disturbed. I could be upset. But I will not go back on a word that I have given. And I will always deliver a promise that I have given to you. So,
Okay.
and everybody knows that about me. And I'm not the kind of person कि गुस्सा एक जगह तो कहीं और निकालेंगे. So at
Okay.
least I
Okay.
will, if I'm upset, I'll tell you, Janvi, I'm upset today. It has nothing to do with you. तो अभी आप देख लो. Yeah.
Okay. But actually, Priya, there are some people who just write a journal. Some people may just have ice cream and they would feel better. So what do you do? I mean, do you write it down? Do you share it with someone?
No. See, पहले तो share करके फायदा नहीं है. Because I share after I have solved it. But I will not share
Okay.
if I'm upset now. Because people
Okay.
should always see you as strong. क्योंकि वो तो solution दे ही नहीं सकते. Correct? आपके साथ भी ऐसा हुआ है. You try to give solutions to people and they don't listen. आपका time waste करते.
Yeah.
Right?
हाँ.
तो solution कोई नहीं दे सकता. I will find the solution. I will solve it and then I'll tell you कैसे problem थी और मैंने solve किया. So a lot of times my friends tell me that, why didn't you tell me before? I say, I want to solve it. No, I'm a powerful person. At least मुझे अपने आप को एक chance तो देना चाहिए. So that way I don't generally talk very easily to people. I feel कि अगर 1 घंटा मैं आपको सिखाऊं, उससे अच्छा 1 घंटा काम कर लो ना.
Okay.
है ना?
Okay.
उसी
I
solution
think.
पे तो हाँ जी.
Yeah. I think Priya, your stock of motivation is always full no matter what. And that's why you can, just help yourself, because sometimes to just help yourself is a big challenge. We
Yes,
can give
yeah.
advice to others, but when it comes to advising our own selves, we have no words. We just run out of options. But
Correct.
yeah.
I agree with you. I agree.
Yeah, and Priya, tell me about that person in your life or that thing in your life which motivates you. Someone where you go to, कि कुछ अच्छा बोल दे तो you would start feeling better.
See, I don't have that expectation from people because that's a very high expectation. Like for example, when I
Okay.
go and meet my relatives, तो फिर वो मुझे बोलते कुछ सुनाओ. अभी क्या
Okay.
सुनाने को दूँ? तो मुझसे ही लोग इतना expect करते हैं. But I read a lot of books. So
Okay.
every day I read biographies. I study a lot. So my dose is always getting replenished. Like I believe आउटपुट इक्वल्स इनपुट. आपका दिन कैसे जाएगा, आउटपुट कैसा होगा, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन आपने इनपुट क्या डाला. So my
Okay.
input starts
Okay.
in the morning. I read very good books. Until today, I study. I have enrolled at any given time. I'm enrolled in 1 or 2 courses. So I don't
Okay.
have to put that high an expectation on somebody that you inspire me or you motivate me or you make me happy. So when I meet somebody,
Okay.
I say, be yourself. And let's have
Okay.
fun together. खुशी से मिलते हैं और खुशी खुशी समय बिताते हैं. So
Yeah. Priya, I think once a motivational speaker, always a motivational speaker.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
even now that I'm talking to you, I feel like I'm attending your seminar.
How sweet are you? Thank you.
Yeah. And then, Priya, tell me, did you have moments where you are just going on stage or you have to motivate someone, but you are running short of motivation? You have no words, or did you feel nervous? I mean, in any such moments?
See, there are times when I could not be in my optimum state. Like I could have a headache,
Okay.
I could have been sick, some crisis could have happened. ऐसा होता है. But my preparation is so solid that it
Okay.
overrides all of this present time problems. So if
Okay.
I have a seminar, let's say today, I have 10 days worth of preparation. Matlab, I know everything
Okay.
at the back of my head, that even if you knock me unconscious, I can still talk. मुझे याद है
Okay.
सब.
Okay.
So I feel
Okay.
preparation has great power. If you're prepared,
Okay.
तो ये जो कभी कभी मुसीबत आ जाती है या हाई एंड लो
हाँ.
होता है ना, वो निकल, you can easily override it because you know what to do and you know how to do. Because if I don't know what to do and if I am low, then I'll get confused. Correct?
Yeah.
अगर कोई important काम है ना, तो of course there will be unforeseen challenges that will come. But are you prepared? हम दिन शुरू करते हैं बिना preparation के, फिर दिन में
Yeah.
negativity आ जाती है and we get confused. So therefore, taking 1 hour before the beginning of the day, it's important that you prepare and set it up so that you can handle whatever problem comes. That is my
Okay.
way of doing
Yeah,
it.
yeah. And Priya, you mentioned about your preparation part, but tell me, do you get affected by all the things that are happening around us? Maybe, say right now that we are sitting and talking, like there is conflict at the border, India-China border, there is COVID-19, and there are a lot of other issues which are surrounding us. So does that affect you? I mean, does it make you sad? Does it make you feel like not going to work? I mean...
See, first of all, I don't see going on around me. अगर कुछ होता है तो मुझे दिया जाए. I have sources of information, but also no matter what you see, you have to know 2 things. What can I do about it? And how does this affect my life? So I should do something about it. So while I'm not going to change the world, but there is something I can do, right? Like for example, the COVID-19 thing, the pandemic that is going on, I can't make a vaccine, right? I can't go out and do something. I'm not a doctor, but I can look after my health. I can look after my family's health. I can make 2-3 positive videos. And I feel as long as you find in you that you can do something about it, the negativity will not affect you. But if you sit useless, that was, oh, ye ho raha hai, in Punjabi we call it hawa. you know, that ये सब हुआ बनाना ये वो, और
Yeah,
किया
yeah.
कुछ नहीं, then it gets to you. So the minute I found out, my friends told me about the demise of Sushant Singh Rajput, I
Yeah,
did two
yeah.
webinars already on depression. So matlab I did
Oh,
something
okay.
about it. So till the time you
Okay.
feel useful and you can be productive, negativity won't catch you. That's the antidote
Okay.
for negativity.
Yeah. I think it's easier said than done. I mean, only once we
Yes,
practice and apply it in our life, I think we can get better at it. Yeah.
that's
But
right.
and then, Priya, apart from being a motivational speaker, you have a brand of yourself. And tell me about the entrepreneurial journey that you have carried out for yourself. I mean, how did you make Priya Kumar a brand that we know it as today?
See, I feel if you have something good to share, like how you are doing, make an enterprise around it. Make a business model around it. You know, so it's a
Okay.
win-win for everybody. So I
Okay.
treat service as an exchange, so people also feel good about it. But I think I have not very consciously tried to build a brand for myself, but I have very
Okay.
consciously tried to spread my message out. You know, I have very
Okay.
consciously tried to give power to my purpose. And
Okay.
fortunately for me, I am the product, you know. So I
Yeah.
can't
Yeah.
put another product out. So I
Yeah.
only become the face of it. And in becoming
Yeah.
that, you know, I have only become the brand. So that has
Okay.
helped. If you truly believe that what you are doing has value, it doesn't matter how many people are watching, how many people are consuming it. But if you continue at it without looking at the numbers, you know, one
Okay.
day you and your purpose will become bigger than anything else.
Anything
So,
else? True.
so that has been my little journey. And if you say, I will take it as a very big compliment. If you say that today I am a brand, then that adds even more responsibility to even more good
True.
things.
Okay. And Priya, tell me that do you feel the pressure to constantly put something out, especially social media or Instagram has put pressure on all of us, especially the millennials, especially the teenagers, to just look
Hi,
better or do
Harisha.
things better?
Sorry,
Uh,
I'm just saying hi.
yeah.
Uh, uh.
Yeah. So, do you feel that pressure to just bring content out every other day, or pressure of the likes, pressure of how many people have watched your content, or how do you face it?
See, pressure तब होता है ना जब when I really don't want to do it, but I have to do it. Okay, so I have
Okay.
never ever done something because I should do it because it'll help my brand or I will get likes or I'll become more popular. Okay, so I like to keep up a commitment. If I have said I will post every Friday, I will post every Friday. But yes,
Okay.
it is a pressure to continue to generate content, and it's a good pressure क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा सोचना पड़ता है. You know, एक अच्छा ही
Okay.
pressure है. Like you have to continue to find good people. You have to
Yeah.
continue to find good content. तो कितनी अच्छी बात है. You know, तो
Yeah.
actually ये जो pressure है मेरे ऊपर, it is pressure to create goodness every day. So I
Okay.
love it, but I don't look at likes. I don't look at viewers. You know, कई बार मुझे लोग बोलते हैं, मैम, you have such low subscribers on YouTube. You should do something. हाँ, ऐसे जिसको देखना है
Huh.
देख लेंगे ना, है ना? अभी
Okay.
how many people are following you that you've already signed up for a crash course in depression? You know, so so that already you should not look at the numbers. पहले वो करो जो
Okay.
आपको
Okay.
पसंद है, अपने लिए करो.
Okay.
Yes.
But Priya, when you say that अपने लिए करो, तो do you, like, you have been doing this for years, for 25 years as you mentioned. So do you have a saturation point? Do you feel that ये बहुत हो गया? You don't want to motivate others, or you just want to be on your own? Like, do you have such
No,
times
I
when you're like enough?
love it. No, I
Okay.
love it. Like, for example, I
Okay.
love to travel. So my workshops
Okay.
keep me traveling. And so,
Okay.
for example, I had a workshop in Singapore. 1 घंटे का मेरा workshop था, तो मैं 3 दिन वहाँ रही. फिर मेरा वर्कशॉप
Okay.
था मालदीव्स में, वो आधे घंटे का वर्कशॉप था. आई स्टेड देयर फॉर 3 days. सो आई लव
Oh, love
and I
that part.
love meeting people. You know, I love
Okay.
strangers. ऐसा नहीं है किसी को वर्कशॉप पे अच्छा लगता है किसी से मिले. मैं कहीं भी जाती हूँ मुझे लोग बहुत पसंद है. किसी से भी I will start
Okay.
talking. तो my दादी when I was very young, no, तो मेरी दादी कहा करती थी तू सबसे बात करना शुरू कर देती है. You know, and I said, but these are also people, no? They are like me only.
Yeah.
So I
हाँ.
love what I do. मतलब इतना
Okay.
मुझे प्यार है कि I don't think I can ever stop. You know, so
Okay.
I love it. तो मुझे कभी
Okay.
ऐसा नहीं लगा कि सैचुरेशन हो गया या नहीं करना है. इनफैक्ट मेरी कंपनी में ऐसा जोक करते हैं कि इफ प्रिया इज
हाँ.
सिक नो, तो अभी अगर एक वर्कशॉप आ जाएगा शी विल बी
तो-
वेरी ठीक हो जाएगा.
Oh.
यू नो, तो
Oh,
ऐसे
okay.
होता है.
Wow,
इट्स
wow.
माय हीलिंग आल्सो.
Okay. So Priya, you have told us all the good things about your profession, but tell us the least glamorous side of it. मतलब कुछ तो होगा, मतलब which we as an outsider can't see, but you as an insider can.
अच्छा, अब ये अनग्लैमरस साइड ये है कि जितना मैं बोलती हूँ ना कि लव टू ट्रैवल, तो समटाइम्स द
हाँ.
ट्रैवल गेट सो मच. लाइक इन वन
Okay.
डे